Welcome all of you to our channel Aditya Tech. Today we will discuss something about Excel, that how we can arrange our data according to different columns, or you can say on the basis of different columns, how we can sort our table in Excel. For example, we are having one table with us, so you can see here this table is not in properly, means you can say not properly arranged. Okay, but I want to arrange the table in class wise, then section wise, and then the subject also must come in some sequence. So let's do it. So for this, just select your table first, then click on sort and filter given in the home tab. Click on the custom sort. Now very important thing to understand here, that you must check mark on my data has headers. Why? Because if you not check mark on it, what will happen? The Excel will consider your heading as a data, and then it will include this heading in the sort. So for this, click on my data has headers, then you just select the first column on which you want to sort. So suppose I want to sort on columns, then class basis, on the values and in the ascending order. Now I will add one more level to it, and I will then select section, then same values and A to Z ascending order. Then I want one more level to be sorted there. I will add here subject and cell values A to Z. So I done what? I add here 3 levels. I added that first I want my table to be sorted on the basis of class, then on the basis of section, and then basis of subject. Let's see how it works. And you see here, now my table is sorted on the basis of class, then you can say section A B C D E, A B C D E, then you can say subject maths, Hindi, computer science, English, maths, Hindi, computer science, English. So this is the way to sort your table by using sort and filter and custom sort option, and you can add more than one level in your table to sort that particular table. Thank you.